starting now.
Alright.
Hey.
Hey.
What's going on, guys? Oh my god. We tried doing a mukbang earlier this morning and it failed.
We tried to do a
miserably.
breakfast one and it didn't record the sound. But
The mukbang was
today
great.
we got some taquitos,
Chicken
rice.
taquitos with Spanish red rice inside a sour cream and
We got some al pato.
I guess we don't have the tapatio around here. That's okay.
The tapatio's right here.
Oh, well, then never mind. That's for me. Tapatio. Sauce of my father's. Oh, goodness. We just finished cleaning up the kitchen, and it took us forever to do it. Well, not forever. We helped each other, so that kind of dwindled down the time, but man,
How's the rice?
it's great. Oh, my God.
Mm.
I'm glad you saved me the effort of cutting up the onions, because usually we put onions in it, but, well, fresh onions, but we did the minced onion, which I think is a good substitute.
Let's try the taquitos. I'm gonna try the crispiest looking one.
The crispiest one? Yeah. I'll do mine almost kind of charred looking. Not charred, but kind of almost like in there.
I got a lot of sour cream because I love the sour cream.
Oh, that's a good crunch. I like that crunch. Oh my god. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if I can top that.
Dang.
That's
You
good
taste
stuff.
all the seasoning that I put on the chicken. You can taste it. Put some al pato.
We love everything homemade because we just do it better. Doesn't matter where we go when we eat their food. When we do it here at home, it's so much better.
It's
So-
customized to our own taste.
It's so good. I like it. Dip it in the pato.
And we just got water. Our big ass cups. We got these from Food City for $1.
Good deal. Good enough value. But sometimes they have a tendency to break.
This is like a quart of water or something like that.
It's true. When you try to fill this up, it takes about.
When you fill up the
Right.
water gallon, it takes 4 of these big cups.
I mean, this is a big one too. Tall guy, and it takes about like up to here when you fill it up. So it's like that's pretty good. It's a pretty good deal.
So yeah, we tried to make a breakfast mukbang this morning, and I had my octopus pajamas on, and it was all cute.
You look cute. I'm not gonna lie.
But
I don't know. Recording with your sub is a little different than mine, but
maybe we should just use your computer.
you could use mine.
Mm.
But the Mac. How do you feel about that?
Stupid.
It's stupid.
Yeah. It's fucking capitalistic bastards.
It works for me. I don't know about you, but it works for me.
Well, napkin.
I don't know. I'm used to recording with my computer.
I never owned a Mac product. Never owned an iPod. iPhone. Like, I use my mom's, but, like, never actually owned one myself.
Oh man, everyone in high school in my school was all about Mac. Well, not about Mac, but like iPods. Everyone had to have an iPod. Everyone's got theirs jacked constantly, though.
I had an MP3 player. So, you know, cool. And then now I don't even, like, have an iPod or anything because I just use my phone.
That's what it came down to nowadays. I mean, eventually everything's just gonna end up in your earpiece, and then you don't even need to have the phone with you. Can't wait for that time to happen. Got this big old brick of a phone stuck in my pocket. It's huge. It's almost
My phone.
impossible.
It's got kitties on the back.
Keys on the back. And this phone does not explode. That's the key there.
And it has an audio jack.
Oh, and it has audio. Oh my god, it's like the best of all worlds. I love it. That's good stuff.
Yeah. Man, I was so hungry that I was like getting a headache from just cleaning for hours.
Well, we didn't eat anything else since like
Our mukbang.
since the mukbang, which is like roughly let's say 1 o'clock. So it's 8. So 7 hours. Yeah, you're gonna get a headache if you don't eat anything anytime between that. But
Fat girl problems.
fat girl. This first world problem is just like, oh, I didn't eat anything. Have all the food in the world I could have in my pantry.
We have all the ingredients for food.
Mm-hmm.
But
there's
no
nothing
food,
to eat.
Nothing to eat. Yeah. I love to cook though, but not with the dirty kitchen. That's how we cleaned our kitchen and we cleaned our house.
It was trashed. We're gonna admit this. We're not the cleanest of people.
We're not. But it doesn't help that our fucking dishwasher doesn't work. That guy Ben that we're talking about, he's supposed to come back yesterday. He didn't. He didn't come today either.
Man.
You're not gonna eat your Taquito?
I'm sorry, I'm just focusing on 3 things. But eventually I gotta have to bitch about it again to them if they're gonna be this way. During the second Bachman, that never happened.
You said Bachman.
Bachman. Mukbang. Monkey bang. We were talking about I guess we met one of the neighbors just last night while we were walking our dog Marty. And he just mentioned like all his experiences with the management here. For what I guess he told us like the 1 month that he's been here so far, which I kind of find it hard to believe, but whatever. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. But yeah, pretty much just told me all his shitty experiences with it. I was like, huh. So at least we're not the only ones experiencing that. But it kind of sucks that everyone is getting that same thing, like the same experience. It should be totally different.
Yeah, it should. I don't know.
But aside from that, he just loved our dog. He just loved him to death. So beautiful, your dog.
Obsessed with our dog.
He just wanted to touch him and talk and just like see him. Which is kind of weird because he says he owns pit bulls, and pit bulls are way cooler than. Well, I shouldn't say it's way cooler than chihuahuas.
Chihuahuas are cuter. Well, no.
It depends. It depends by owner and by dog. But
I really love the pit bull's floppy ears.
You get more excitement out of pit bulls.
And I hate when people crop their ears. Like, that's fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
That shouldn't be happening.
What's that meaner look?
But why?
Or that cleaner look, I don't know. I think it's just to make it look like the shape-wise just looks better than have floppy ears with a very symmetrical face kind of a thing. I think that's the idea behind it, but it's also for just the looks to make it look more intimidating.
It's kind of fucked up. Well, it is fucked up.
Same way people crop the tail.
I never understood that either.
I think again it's cleanliness for reasons, or just to make it look better looking, built. I don't know. I don't know too much about it. I don't research that enough. What's up?
You spilled water on my shirt.
Lean in.
I was trying to move the mouse so our computer doesn't like shut down after 10 minutes, so I'll just cover that real quick.
There we go. That works.
Thank God for long hair.
So we're slowly starting to make friends in the apartment complex, so that's good.
Yeah, we never make friends in our apartment complexes ever. We're not the friendly type. We keep to ourselves.
Nothing wrong with that. But, I don't know. I guess it helps to know some of your neighbors, because you just never know sometimes.
Yeah.
They might come in handy.
We're both getting the short end of the stick from apartment people, so that's the one thing in common we have. He was talking about his car and stuff, and I had no idea what he was talking about, because I know nothing about cars.
I have little to no experience with it, but I understand most of what he was talking about anyway.
I don't think you do. You leave all the maintenance up to the people at the car dealerships.
Well, yeah, that, but whatever. I mean, it's cool that he wanted to talk about it, though.
Well, he's friendly because of his job.
I have to be friendly. I just have to.
Which I'm going to try at work there, too. So, like, I don't know. I have to start being friendly. Like, I don't have any problem being friendly or being I like to be helpful, but friendly, you know, like, I don't know. I think I can do it.
Just fake it.
Yeah, fake it till you make it.
Yeah. That's how I did it. Look where I am now.
Where are you?
Well, I'm up there in position, but I don't have to fake being friendly. I have to fake being
nice.
Useful, I guess.
No, you're nice. You're nice.
No, I'm nice. I'm just, I guess, not
and you're
useful.
Way useful. Like, they need you, or else they fall apart.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens with my job. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with the crunch of these taquitos. You can hear it every time, too. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
You don't get that nasty, like, overly burnt taste of it, too. So that's good. I hope you guys are eating along with us, too. Don't be creepers and just watch.
Yeah. Like, every time I watch a mukbang, Mom was eating. Or, like, when he goes to bed because he has work in the morning, I'll like, be awake watching someone. I was just watching, like, a mukbang, and then I had to make some noodles. And I ate some noodles, like, late-ass at night. Or a sandwich or something, you know.
Sandwich.
It makes me hungry just looking at other people eat. And the sound. Like last video, I was like eating some lettuce and it was all like crunchy, and I was watching the video and I rewinded it just to hear it again. But I'm not into the ASMR stuff. It's kind of creepy.
What?
ASMR. I don't know what it really stands for, but it's like people like whisper while they're eating their food, like, and like to hear like. Remember when I showed you that video of like someone massaging an ear with water? Remember?
Are you talking about those sound effects videos that people keep posting up there? I don't get that.
I don't know. It's I think it's like some sort of fetish. Like, why would you be attracted to that?
Well, people, hey, if you can cash in on anything, go for it. Might as well. More power to you. I just don't get it.
I don't know.
It's always a fetish for everything. If it exists, there's porn of it and there's a fetish of it.
Well, let's not talk about porn right now.
It's been a pretty chill day, though. I haven't done really much of anything.
Yeah.
I've been just cooking. We've actually been cooking most of the day. Just straight up cooking. Are you gonna do cookies too?
I want to do cookies. Make some nice soft cookies.
We're trying to see if we can expand our channel to aside from just the mukbang, the new channel we're gonna make for it. We're gonna post this at the GamingKatzDen channel or no?
I wanted
to kind of just introduce the new channel that's coming in. I kind of want to do that.
I guess so.
So at least you guys get an idea of what's gonna be going on in the other channel. I'm still gonna keep the GamingKatzDen up for just gaming purposes and cooking purposes, and then there's an idea: cook first, then mukbang next channel. Oh my god,
well, that's a good idea.
I almost threw up just saying that. Sorry.
You're ruining my freaking food.
I'm sorry.
My food.
I just had to say it though. I was like, oh god.
I have no more sour cream for this last taquito.
Just use mine. I have plenty to spare around.
I put twice as much sour cream on my plate than yours.
Yeah.
And you always have some left. Do you not love sour cream as much as I do?
Just use it. I don't care.
I'll do it because you told me to.
Because you told me to!
Yeah. You know what? This is the wrong camera thingy. We're supposed to be at 1080.
Are we?
That's why we're so close together.
I was like, I wonder why it was so different. Oh, it is. Oh, well. Let's see what happens. Whoa, hey, what's going on, guys?
There, now we don't have to sit so.
I was like, what's going on? Oh, well. I don't know if they'll see the vast difference, but, well, I was like, why am I so damn close? I don't remember being this close.
Yeah.
Whatever. It doesn't matter.
What the hell is that?
Hmm?
Oh.
Counter.
We're too close to the counter.
Almost bashed your face in it.
Yeah, we're having some
Okay.
audio problems, so that's why we weren't like paying attention to the camera.
And I don't get what's going on with the audio too. It was working the first time, no problem. I just plugged it in, we went with it, and perfect. Everything was good. Now it's just giving us problems.
It's funny how so close we are together.
Hmm.
It's funny how close we're sitting together. Look at our tables. They're like
Wow.
they look like butt cheeks right now. So close.
Hmm. It's too good. I love this thing.
I have my last taquito. Actually, like all the mukbangs we had, I always finish first. And this time you did.
I was hungry. You said you were hungry, but I was hungry. I needed this. Plus, part of the second video that never exists anymore. We talk about the spicy noodle challenge that is coming up very shortly. We're waiting for it to come in the mail.
Should be a Friday.
That's the wait time. So hopefully, when that comes in, we can just post it up immediately. And I don't know. I didn't get too much from the other videos I've seen about it though. I mean,
I'm not expecting it to be so hot.
but would it be bad, or would it not be legitimate if we added more spice into it?
I don't know. I
Would
guess
that-
if you
would that
want to,
matter?
if you want to be dumb about it, I'm not gonna do it.
I'm not saying that we're gonna do it. I'm just saying if it comes down to it, if it's not spicy enough, I'm just gonna kick it up with something. I don't
I
know.
freaking dare you to.
All right, I can do that. I just thought I'd ask because sometimes people level of spiciness is just like
I don't know. Like those European people, you know, they're fucking like their spice is like, oh my god, it's too hot. Like you can't even fucking handle a jalapeno.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
We'll see. Or is just food going all over the place? It is going for me too.
No.
Picked up a grain of rice off my tummy. It's right here. It's what
I bought him that shirt.
the Bump It Bro shirt. I had this shirt for the longest time now. This is going on like 4 years now.
We've been together for 4 years.
Yeah, this is going on 4 years.
It was like off and on, but
And the moment I throw away this shirt, that's when the relationship ends.
Ew, kidding.
No.
Ew.
No, that's not gonna happen.
You're being mean to me.
No. Let's see. Yeah, got it that time too.
Mm-mm.
I totally did. If I go over there and if it's in, you owe me something tonight.
What?
Oh, don't worry about it. It's behind closed doors.
Cookies?
If that's what you want to call it tonight.
Are we gonna make cookies?
We're making cookies tonight. In fact, as soon as we're done with this mukbang video, I'm gonna get out the butter.
I wanted to watch Hocus Pocus.
Well, we'll do that. It ain't gonna take forever.
I wanted to watch it while we're eating, but we're doing the mukbang.
Well, that's the rub. You either do one or the other. Maybe we'll do a let's watch of Hocus Pocus.
I think that's illegal.
Well, no, it's not to film the film, but to film us watching the film.
Like a commentary.
I guess.
We could. That'd be kind of weird.
It's kind of
That'll be
weird.
long.
I've seen people do it. It's just a little weird. But whatever. Oh, grain of rice just fell on the floor. Oh well.
I just swept this floor.
I guess who has to do it again? Good luck.
Alright, that's done. I'm done.
Let's get out of here.
So, peace,
Butt
love,
grease.
love, peace, and chicken grease. And we'll be back here at another time.
With more.
Are we going to do cookies tonight?
Cookies tonight.
Okay, you're going to see me wearing the same shirt. Bye.
Bye.